Bitcoin is the world's first successful cryptocurrency, launched in 2009 by a mysterious creator known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Nakamoto created Bitcoin as a result of the 2007 to 2008 global financial crisis, with the goal to take financial control back from the financial elites and controlling bodies, giving ordinary people a chance to take part in a decentralized financial system. Not only is Bitcoin the first largely adopted cryptocurrency to be created, but of the more than 19,000 cryptocurrencies in existence today, it is by far the best known. You've probably noticed Bitcoin's volatility, which often makes it an attractive yet risky choice for novice investors, and understanding the ins and outs can be tricky. So in this video, I will help you understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, how it is created, or as they say in the blockchain world, mined, and why some people, even some of the smartest in the world, think it is the future of how we will store value. So make sure you watch to the end. Hi everyone, and welcome to Reframe the Blockchain, where you will learn how the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology works as we create these easy to understand videos breaking down some of the top blockchain projects and cryptocurrencies. Disclaimer, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Our goal is to get you one step closer to understanding the world of blockchain, cryptocurrency, and its many amazing applications. But before making any investment decisions, you should always do your own research. Let's get started. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency designed initially to give control back to everyday people and as an alternative solution to the traditional money we are used to transacting with, known as fiat currency. Bitcoin is not physical, it's a digital currency, a type of money that is completely virtual, an online version of traditional cash which gains its value from people and companies' desire to purchase it, i.e., the more people want to buy it, the more its value increases. Many companies, some very large like Tesla and Nexon, are invested in Bitcoin, and many are adopting blockchain technology. For example, the online payment service PayPal is allowing its customers to buy and sell Bitcoin. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin is basically a digital record which is kept on the blockchain. You will hear people refer to a digital wallet in relation to storing your Bitcoin. However, wallets don't actually store Bitcoin themselves, but rather, wallets store the keys that link you to the address of your cryptocurrency. See, the asset itself never physically moves. Only the person or entity that owns it changes. People can buy or transfer ownership of Bitcoin or fractions of Bitcoin to each other. And unlike fiat currency, whether you're sending it to your neighbor or to a family member across the world, the fees are the same, and its market value will always be its value wherever you are. Every single transaction is recorded on a ledger called the blockchain. And as the name implies, a blockchain is a linked body of data made up of units called blocks. These blocks contain information about each transaction, including date and time, total value, buyer and seller, and a unique identifying code for each exchange. This record, or public ledger as you will hear it referred to, makes it possible to trace the history and movement of ownership of Bitcoin, which stops people from spending coins they do not own, making copies, or undoing transactions. The Bitcoin blockchain is decentralized, which means no one organization controls it. It's like the Google Doc that anyone can work on, says Buchi Okoro, CEO and co-founder of the African cryptocurrency exchange Quidax. Hey, take a break. Go ahead and hit the like button, and then subscribe to this channel. That way, you'll be updated anytime we upload informative videos such as this one. Let's continue. How are new Bitcoins created? Bitcoins are created through a process called mining. Mining Bitcoin is the term used to refer to the reward given by the network to the people for their services. Bitcoin miners are processing transactions and securing the network using specialized computing hardware, and are collecting new Bitcoins in exchange. Bitcoins are created at a decreasing and predictable rate. The number of new Bitcoins created is automatically halved every 4 years, referred to as the halving. This will occur until Bitcoin creation halts completely, with a total of 21 million Bitcoins in existence. As more people mine Bitcoin, the more competitive it becomes. As it stands, if you started mining today, you could end up spending more money on electricity for your computer than the Bitcoin would be worth. So why is it that some people believe Bitcoin to be better than traditional currency? Traditional currency is subject to inflation, and central banks can print more at any time, essentially devaluing the money already in existence. As you have heard here today, there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin, making it even scarcer than gold. Other benefits of Bitcoin over traditional currency are: you can send Bitcoin to any other Bitcoin wallet in the world, across borders, without filling forms, following rules, or paying high transaction fees like traditional currencies. While safe storage of Bitcoin has its challenges, if you follow good protocols, it can be stored safely and anonymously without worrying about any physical space or middlemen, like the bank or government changing the rules on how you can and can't spend it. It can be sent or received to absolutely anyone, anywhere, anytime, without any limits. So long as someone in the world wants to purchase it, it's always going to be around and hold some value, no matter how popular or unpopular it gets. If you're wondering, as of 2022, there are over 180 million Bitcoin wallets in existence. Anyone can create a wallet and hold Bitcoins regardless of age, gender, nationality, criminal record, or location. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are present everywhere. Before we continue, we'd love to hear about other ways Bitcoin is potentially better than traditional currency. Let me know in the comment section below. So how do people get Bitcoin? There are 3 different ways people get Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin using real money through an online exchange, or any Bitcoin ATM if you have them in your country or city. You can be gifted Bitcoin simply by someone sending you some to your digital wallet. Each wallet has its own unique address, and anyone with your wallet address can send you Bitcoin relatively quickly and with minimal fees compared to traditional currency. You can exchange goods or services for Bitcoin anywhere in the world, or they can be created and acquired using the mining process as mentioned earlier. So why is Bitcoin valuable? There are lots of things other than money which we consider valuable, like gold and diamonds. Bitcoin is valuable for a couple of main reasons. With cryptocurrency having been around since 2008, Bitcoin is by far the most popular, most adopted, and most successful of them all. And due to its durability and scarcity, it is often now referred to as the digital gold, or store of value. As there will only ever be 21 million in existence, the more people start acquiring it, the scarcer it becomes. And like diamonds or gold, the more scarce, the more valuable. The difference is, we don't know how much gold exists on the earth, but we know there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. Some people like the fact that Bitcoin is not controlled by the government or banks, so people can also spend their Bitcoins anonymously. Although all transactions are recorded, nobody would know which Bitcoin address, i.e. account number, was yours, unless you told them. So that's it for today. You should have a good idea of what Bitcoin is, how it works, and how it is created. But if you're really interested in knowing more about blockchain technology and some of the greatest networks and applications being built today, stick around for future videos to come.